Mama, don't send it over the neighbor's fence. No, we're not going to do that.
So you just want to leave it up there?
You want to go up there and get it? I can hold you up. I can put you up there. I don't think that ladder is going to be high enough.
Marshall, you want us to put you on the roof and you go get it?
Yeah.
I'll take the dad. You put him up there.
I think I can reach him up there.
I don't think I could.
Too high! Alright, we'll just leave it up there for now. That's why they give you two. One for mommy, one for the guy.
You go fly it. You're a better flyer than me. You're a better flyer.
You're not going in the house after you put that on the
No,
roof.
you're right here. Go fly.
You go fly.
Daddy's gonna fly because I'm a bad flyer. Give it to Daddy. Yeah. Look at me. Hey.
She wasn't being mean. She didn't mean to, okay?
Yeah.
Mommy said she's sorry, okay?
I know. It was an accident. Okay, watch Daddy. He's doing it. Oh no! All right, good. Gonna do what, Marshy? What's wrong with it? Okay.
How much we paid for this, Mom?
99 cents.
99 cents. Well, I think we got our 99 cents.
What?
Someone's cooking some hamburger.
What?
Someone's cooking hamburger.
I know, I smell it.
I don't like it, but I like it.
I'm getting the stickers on your shorts on camera.
Why do you have to videotape me?
Because I think you're gorgeous.
I don't want to be videoed.
I don't care. Almost caught it.
You getting that on film, Mama?
Yeah.
This is a lot better. There's no chiggers getting on you. There's no humidity. It's not hot. And Mama can't put it on the roof.
Like the blue one.
Oh, don't break the train. Marshall.
Did he break the bridge?
Yes, he smashed the bridge down.
Poor bridge.
Flexible piece of tracks.
The Bindi Bridge, that's what he calls it.
That's an accident. I might do something.
Can you go get the yellow thing? Move your mower.
Okay? Mason said Kelvin's coming over?
Yeah.
And what are they going to do?
I don't know.
Can you go unlock the front door for Big Bro?
Yeah.
Who is it?
No, do the top part.
Do the lock.
Hey.
Okay.
Fix it.
He wants you to watch this. Watch this.
You can hit it in the fan.
Nuh-uh.
Break everything.
Uh-uh.
Are you ready?
How did I go through the fan? That was lucky.
Yeah.
Skill.
I got skills that pay the bills.
Do it that way, and I'll roll.
Okay, you ready?
Woo!
Oh, almost caught it.
It's done. That's my egg box.
Fell on your Lego box?
Yeah. Oh.
It's gonna hit your train set. You have to catch it.
Oh,
Oh.
are you all right?
Yeah.
That was pretty nice, actually. I mean, that was good, bro.
What are you and Kelvin going to be doing tonight, Mason?
Anything you tell us not to do?
Is he spending the night or just coming over for a couple?
Woo!
Spending the night.
Good catch.
Now, a father and fist in my hand. Whoa.
Can you do it again?
Yeah.
Almost.
Oh.
Do you like the camo shorts?
Yeah. I think the pants I'm gonna get are gonna be green instead of
10.
Desert.
the real
Oh,
camo.
did you have some money to buy some pants?
Well, you have the money. You gotta get
Well,
that.
I have.
You have the money. I just have the will to let you buy the money. Let you buy the thing I want. Oh, good try, bro.
Oh, almost caught it.
What?
Picking? Was he picking?
No, he wasn't.
Popping?
No.
What's that do?
Picking your nostrils?
I didn't mean to catch that.
Oh!
Oh, he's so on the
Prom
spot.
night 2010. Mason picks his nose. Let me show it to his date.
So nice.
He goes home immediately after seeing the videotape of him picking his nose.
And she hadn't even seen the machine.
You should have done it before and after of his toenails.
Oh, I know. But let me do it now so that people will know. They're
He went
not.
outside without shoes on again. Look at his nasty, ugly, grotesque feet.
There's nothing wrong with them.
They're freak feet. I'm getting tired of doing this. Are you getting tired of it yet?
No.
Well,
Woo!
I'll
See
play
all the
with you.
chunks coming out of the ceiling?
No.
Look at your hair. Look on there.
Let's do it like 2 more times maximum, okay, Marshall?
2 more times, okay? And then we'll put it away for a while.
Yeah.
I wanted to get
Okay.
one.
Daddy's getting hungry. One.
My turn.
Listen to me. Let's go, listen.
Thank you, bro.
Do it in there.
Oh, so brother's gonna do it. Okay.
No, not that way, mate. Make that! Don't do it again!
Marshall, Derek, that is not nice. You may not be like that.
He's a swirling vortex of anger.
Really.
That was pretty bad.
The pressure of
Look at
rage
that.
popping out of his chest.
Was that better, bro?
Yeah.
See, brother does a really good job. Why don't you say thank you, Mason?
Thank you.
You guys didn't see me bump him as he tried to catch it, though, with my foot. You
That's so
ready?
mean. I probably got it on camera.
I broke it.
Dad.
Really? Let's see.
It still works, though, right, guy?
Last one.
No, man, can you give me?
He broke it. All
Okay.
right.
Guess I'll see.
He's gonna break it again.
No.
You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, man, that was really
Oh.
Oh. All right, let's put it away for a while.
No.
We want to save some ceiling for another day.
No.
That was the last time.
No.
We'll put it away for later.
Alright. I'm going to shut it off so we don't get the full conniption. Although this might be kind of cool to get. Alright, that was the last time. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Marshall. Alright, just to make it good, let's do one more. Okay, Marshall? This is the last one.
Ready? I'm not meaning to. Let Daddy do it. I'm not very good at this. Can Daddy do it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get it
Alright,
ready.
Dad,
for
do
him.
it one more time and this is it. Truly. No more.
Father, hey, why don't you take that?
Marshall, do you understand Daddy's not doing it anymore after this?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready?
Alright, say bye.
All right, let's go put it away for a little while.
Superman toothpaste and Superman toothbrush. That's a cool one.